gorgeous. They're still setting up. The rest of the cars lined up. Not sure where they're going, but I would imagine they're gonna be parked. Looks like a Maserati.
I think it's back. Might need to be in. I forget which way the switch went. And then turn the key.
Hey guys, this is Rob from Classic Car Living. So today we're here at MODA, Miami. This is our Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance, but in Miami. We have supercars, all types of cars, steam cars, the first Mercedes-Benz ever made. Let's go, because there is tons of cars to go see. 1968 Plymouth GTX Hemi hardtop. From 1970 Plymouth Roadrunner Superbird. These things are so cool, man. I've seen a couple of these at Mecum and Barrett. Look at that. There's some paperwork on there. Some brochures, actually. No worse. Can't really see into these cars, unfortunately, but check this thing out.
That's the road run.
1967 Chevy Camaro Little Hoss is what it says. It's a 302, as you can see. The Little Hoss. Fred Gibb. This thing's definitely has some history here for sure. Let's see. Vinyl roof. Again, hard to see inside, guys. 1960 Chevy Corvette convertible. This is iconic. Look at that thing. Excuse me. Thank you. Wow. Matching numbers car. Wow. Look at the interior on this thing. 1955 Chevy Corvette. I have a feeling this is the same owner. They look very similar. Oh, wait till you see the interior on this. I like that hidden tag. See how cool that is? Enclosed. Look at this dash and the color combination. Wow. Here we have a 1965 Shelby GT350 original. This is the real deal. This is my favorite color, favorite car, favorite everything. This is what I would love to have. This is the 69 Chevy Camaro RSSS convertible pace car edition. My friend Pedro's car. You've seen this in the past. Beautiful car. Here's what community is about. Everybody helping to get the cover off so it can get judged even though the owners are not here. Look how beautiful this is. 63 Corvette Stingray. Wow. A 1957 Cadillac Eldorado.
Great friend, wonderful collector.
Hey.
But it came out.
Look at that bubble. Look at that. What detail.
But it's a very rare color, 42. This is a 1 year old color.
A 1958 Lincoln Continental Mark III convertible. I have never seen this. The shape and the details on the body are super interesting. Look at that. I'm gonna do a full walk around here because these things are awesome. Windows are closed on this, so let's see if we can see in. 1964 Ford Thunderbird, my friend Jose's car, which if you haven't seen, I did a whole video on it. We have a little running joke. He says I don't like Thunderbirds, but I like the color, or I said that to him, and so anyways, take a look at the video. Look at the interior of this thing. It was based like on an airplane cockpit. Steering wheel moves out of place. Look at that. 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. This is my friend Hector's car, which I think you guys have seen before. When I got here this morning, it was soaked full of water. They didn't close the top overnight, so it has dried out with the sun, thank goodness. 1968 NSU Sport Prince. Never seen this car before. I'm not sure if you guys have, but
you know, your brain will never be the same again. You're screwing up my game. Your test me apart. And he calls me the top man.
it's kind of like a Gia. Here they're judging the cars now. This is a 1944 KDF wagon Type 82E. It's a Beetle prototype.
Apparently, the door can't move below. Move the doors.
So they do the judging.
The two doors were in. But
This looks like a military vehicle. Look at the tires on that thing.
because they're different. And about 10% of all existing
1963 Trojan 200. Look at this thing. This looks like from the Jetsons. Very interesting car. Look how thin it is, so you guys can get a perspective of it. Look at the bubble.
everything on them.
This is really cool. 1952 Gregory Sports Roadster. So I am seeing some cars I have never seen in my life. Let me know if you guys have ever seen these things.
Sometimes
1954 Fulda Mobile NWF 200. Another, I don't know what in the world this is. Here we go. Here's a little thing so you guys can read it. Freeze frame it. Pause the video and read it. They were produced from 1950 to 1969 in Germany. Look at the back of this thing. Let's see if we can peek through the window. No. Well, actually, hold on, look. You can kind of see there. Let's take a look here. 1958, a Sardo 1500 ARS. Check out the pipe on the side. This thing's a little rough, but I guess it's an all original. Interesting. 1957 BMW Isetta 300. You've seen these cars before. Wayne Carini, I think, did a whole video on one of these. But this thing is mint condition, guys. It is perfect. You can see my shadow. Sorry. It's still kind of early. Got the luggage in the back. That bubble window. Very cool. Here's a 1964 Ferrari 250 GTL. Wow. This color is absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Let's take a look at this Ferrari inside. Nice slow so you guys can see all the details. 65 Ferrari 275. You're good? Oh, sorry. 275 GTB 6C. Wow. This is like being in a museum, guys. Here's a 1959 Ferrari 250. There goes the music. So if we have music, then I gotta shut it off. So.
Are you gonna keep it? Somebody else is not. I mean, put it on. Yeah, I mean,
67 Ferrari 275 GTS 4 Spider.
Yeah, you might keep me in a black shoebox. That's sweet. Yeah. Yeah. One day I'll have room like keep going all the way.
1967 Ferrari 330 GTC. (1958) Ferrari 250 GT. (1969) Ferrari 365 GTC.
Are you gonna keep it? Somebody else is not. I mean, put it on. Yeah, I mean,
1966 Ferrari 275 GTS.
Yeah, you might keep me in a black shoebox. That's sweet. Yeah.
1974 Ferrari Dino 246 GTS. This is the first Mercedes-Benz ever made. Check this thing out, 1886. Look at the bottom. 1941 Packard Super 8 180 Sport. $1934 Packard 1108 12 Sport. $1932 Auburn 8 100A Custom Speedster. $1934 Nash Ambassador 8 Brougham.
That's me.
Like, open the windows. Yeah. You can deal with it.
That's awesome.
1930 Packard 745 Deluxe 8
Had
Roadster.
a semi-load come in that I have to.
At MODA Miami, and there is truly something for everyone.
We got some beautiful weather here in Miami and some amazing looking cars that I will never see ever again unless I come to something like this or like Pebble Beach.
That we want to.
1934 Cadillac V8 convertible coupe.
And speaking of those, tomorrow you'll see an additional 100 supercars and hypercars joining us here at MODA Miami's 100 Club, which joins the fun tomorrow. I cannot wait. Tomorrow is going to be fabulous. I think there is.
Look at the detail, guys, on these cars.
Right now, the judges are hard at work, and the owners as well are.
1931 Chrysler CG Imperial Roadster. Look at this thing. Wow. Love that back seat. The big white wall tires.
As I say, it's fun. We are here to enjoy the cars. We're here to have fun.
Take a look here.
And I don't think there's anywhere better right now.
100%. And we really have some amazing events coming up that we call for the next 2 days. Cars like this behind us, Tulip Wood.
1934 Buick Series 50 Sport Coupe. This is very close to the Pebble Beach Concours Elegance. A lot of cars that probably go there also, along with Amelia.
I think when I saw it last year in August, that
Windows closed, so let's see. 1955 Mercedes Goldwing 300 SL. Look at that. It's an 1899 Moreau Gardon I don't know even how to say it.
The dust from the rubbing down. Honestly,
I need one of these.
I
This will be cool.
cars, and this crossing both areas.
And then this is a 1904 Mercedes Simplex, 45, 50 horsepower.
Plenty of things to see on the
Check out this Mercedes, guys. 50 horsepower.
Absolutely. There's things to do all around the show field, and do go over to the.
Look at the back door to get out with the step.
There's a semicircle of tents.
Let's look at the back seat.
Stage length, if you like, of this.
That is, looks kind of like a boat there. And then
So, I'm Will Smith. This is Nick Warner. We are your hosts for the next.
1913 Regal Model T.
Mercedes-Benz.
I love that blue with the black, just looks great. If you guys can smell what I smell, I don't know if you guys like it, but I love the old car smell, and that's what these things smell like.
Exploring those details, getting into the history, and we'll be very excited to do that. So we'll see you again in about 10 minutes.
Spacious back seat. Here's a 1912 Packard 6 Phantom. Wow. Now this is luxurious. Look at this. Holy smokes. It's like a limousine. This is just, look at the detail, guys. Look how gorgeous, all gold.
Are you gonna keep it? Somebody else has got. I mean, someone 6 feet. I put it on. Yeah, I mean, good quality.
Until you find one that comes up and I'll scratch it. And then you have to.
Yeah, you might keep me in a black short box.
That's sweet.
Yeah. Yeah, one day I'll have room like keep going all the way.
Here's a 1961 300D.
Staying somewhat.
Look at that.
Horrific as last year so far. Yeah. Yeah.
I love that red interior with the black exterior. 67 Lamborghini. Wow.
Yeah, you don't.
Whatever fashion, whatever way fashion will go, you will never feel embarrassed.
See if we can see inside. We got a 72 Lamborghini Miura P400 SV. Let's take a look inside this thing. Look at this blue interior.
Well, here we have the so-called AMG 1. And as you know, we are a very dedicated participant in Formula One racing. And
67, another 67 Lamborghini Miura. Wow.
We have our high performance engine factory, which is a list of
This is our Pebble Beach elegance. Look at this. Look at all these cars.
We're gonna be
1936 Duesenberg. 1930 Duesenberg. Wow, these things are in 1929. Duesenbergs.
I will snag one.
Here's a 30, 1930. 1936 Ralton 8 convertible. This is a 1937 Peugeot 402. Oh, we got to look at this thing. This thing is crazy. It doesn't even look like a real car. It looks like a concept car.
I can't believe that.
Look at that.
You came close. The 144 million US dollar, you were 2 million below, I guess.
And then this Alfa Romeo. Wow.
So,
Look how beautiful.
Marcus. I love it. Thank you so much.
They don't make cars like this. I'm sorry. This is, the detail on these things are amazing.
Treat to see everybody.
And this is a 34 Alpha Spider. Here's a GNX 1987. We got this IROC Z, which apparently I think this one has like 23 miles. Oh, actually, no, not this one. This is my friend Robert's. Let's take a look inside. Nothing like those 80s cars, baby. And now this other one over here has 23 or 26 miles. I kind of like my buddy Robert's car better with the T-tops, but SS Monte Carlo. I think this is my buddy Greg. It's 87, yeah. It's Greg's. Here we have another G-Body GNX. 87. And this is Greg's other car, which I did a whole thing on. And then the Formula One Firebird that he has. He brought 3 cars. There's an Alpha over there coming in. Very Art Deco-ish. Gotta go all the way around with this one. Wow. Let's take a look inside. It's hard to see. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, let me know what's your favorite type of car. Till next week, take care.